Hi and welcome to one of Crofts' video viewings. Today we're at this absolutely superb 3-bedroom detached bungalow. This is green tiles on a short lane in Fotherby. The property's recently been fully refurbished throughout to a very high standard, as you'll see when we go inside. So this is a really lovely sized bungalow. Open views to the back. You'll have to excuse it today, it's a bit windy, but I'll give you a look around. Now you'll see from the frontage, driveway is a in and out driveway. Fully gravelled, so it's just spin round there with central lawn area itself. Now I'm going to take you inside. Now you'll see the property is double glazed. It is central heated, which is provided by LPG cylinders. Let's take you inside them. So opening the front door takes you into the hallway, neutrally decorated, as you can see, radiator there, and then just walking through takes you into the superb open plan living space. You've got a newly installed kitchen. Let me just get the lighting right for you. Beautiful kitchen, plenty of storage inside here as well. New oven and hob. You've also got integral fridge and freezer. And you've also got a new dishwasher there as well. Nicely appointed, as you can see. Another storage unit there as well. Again, really nicely decorated throughout. And then this opens up into the main living area. As you can see, it's got French doors to the centre and 3/4 windows to the back, allowing for ample natural lighting, but also gives you the opportunity to benefit and enjoy the open view to the rear. We'll have a look outside in a moment. You've also got a multi-fuel burner in here as well. Now, just walking back to the kitchen, so I'll do the living areas first. Just off the kitchen is a utility room, really nice sized utility room. Door out to the garden, worktop and a unit there, plumbing for the washing machine itself. And it also has a personnel door which just goes through to the garage itself. Lovely sized garage, electric roller door at the front there. New boiler installed there, as you can see, wall mounted. And like I said, that runs from LPG cylinders externally. It's a nice sized garage. I'll just walk back in. Now I'll take you into the other parts of the property itself. So as you can see, main kitchen living area here, and then another door just to an inner hallway here. And this takes you to basically the sleeping areas and bathroom. So walking in, to the left we have the bathroom itself. Really nice bathroom, again newly installed. Bath with shower fitment. Then you've got, of course, the WC and basin as well, with a chrome tile radiator just behind the door there. Now you've got 3 bedrooms in this property. What I class as bedroom 1 is this one here. To the rear of the property, window to the side and the rear, but also just leading off, another door there, and that takes you to the ensuite, again newly installed. So you've got the shower cubicle, WC and wash hand basin as well. Back into the hallway, the other 2 bedrooms are to the front. You've got bedroom 2, which is probably the largest of the bedrooms, but like I said, I've classed it one as the bedroom 1 with the ensuite, but this again, there's PVC to the side and to the front. Nice sized double bedroom. And then finally the 3rd bedroom, or could be used as a dining area, whatever you want to do, but 3rd bedroom itself, double glazed window, radiator, and you also do have, if I just open this up, you've got a walk-in cupboard here as well. Now what I'm going to do is take you outside, because again, I think this is one of the main selling points of this property as well. So I'm going to walk you back through the utility and just out to the back. And there is an added bonus to this property, as you'll see in a moment. Again, it may be a little bit windy, but we'll see how we go. Now, garden's just been recently done, so the grass has just grown as it was seeded. You've got a raised decked area there as well. Just going to walk into the garden to give you a better idea. So spin round to the back of the property. So there you go from the back. And as you'll see, there's a staircase there as well. Now, just underneath the corner of the bungalow, just to the rear of the garage, there's a little alcove area. At the minute it's got the bins and the gas cylinders, of course, but to be honest, this area is really usable, because you could put hot tub, anything like that in here as well. It's quite a usable space in itself. Now, as you might have noticed, there's a staircase leading up on the external, so I'm just going to show you upside to a nice little surprise. to a little balcony area. And again, if I can just spin round, you'll have to excuse the sun. There you go, gives you an idea of the views. And then you'll see another door. Now this takes you into a first floor room. Now this would make an ideal office or similar to that, access through to the roof eaves, etc. there. But you do have a little sink unit there as well. So you've got that benefit within the property itself. But again, lovely area. You can just imagine this as a home office. Be nice to sit. And again, if you look out the window from here, again, you have to just excuse the sun. It's really bright sunny day today, but you know, you're looking out over that. So what a place to work from. So absolutely stunning property. This, like I said, fully refurbished. Absolutely ideal home for a variety of buyers from the semi-retired to retired market, or even possibly a family, because it is a family-sized bungalow itself. It's located in the popular village of Fotherby, ideally placed for access to Louth and back to Grimsby itself. It's sold with no forward chain on the vendor's side, so literally you can look at make an offer on this and fingers crossed get completed before the end of March to beat the stamp duty as well. If you want to give us a call at the offices, we can get you booked in for a viewing. Again, thank you for joining us today. This is Green Tiles in Fotherby. Thank you.